Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a clone effect in CapCut. It's fun, easy, and perfect for creative videos. Let's get started. First, record two or more videos with the same background and make sure that the camera stays in the exact position, same position while you move or go to the different spot as your clone. Then here, let's go to the step-by-step guide. First, open the CapCut and create a new project. Then import your first video. Then tap overlay and add your second video on top of the first. Then here select the overlay clip and tap on mask. Then choose split or rectangle and adjust the area to reveal your clone in the second clip. You can feather the edges for a smoother blend. And play back the video and align the clips if needed. Trim the part and points to sync the movement so you're good to go. And that's how you create a cool clone effect in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.